Hi. Earlier, well, in one of my posts to the 9x20 forum, I said that I brought the spindle. I tightened it up till there was no end play that I could detect. Uh, and when I pulled on it like this, I was getting some movement in the chuck. So I tightened the nut a little further, not a whole lot, but a little further, and now I get very little side to side movement. Maybe it could stand to be a little bit tighter, but I hesitate to do that. As you can see, there's just a slight movement there. If I roll it, then you see there is a little bit of side to side, and I'm gonna turn some bits to see how that works out. But anyways, my advice is in order to lubricate the bearings. This is an Enco. It was built in 2000, and there's no way allowed for any lubrication. You really have to take the spindle out to lubricate the bearings. Now, eventually, I'd probably replace the original Chinese bearings, and I'm going to eventually replace the spindle because the number 3 Morris taper bore is not very satisfactory. I did try to work on the bore to true it up, but the compound just does not have enough travel on this lathe, so the only recourse is to replace it. Now when I do replace it, I'll be checking this new spindle over thoroughly to make sure the bore is true and centered up. But I don't have a lot of money to play with this stuff. So anyways, there you go. That's where it's at currently. Oh, and by the way, it does spin pretty freely, so there's room to tighten it up. Anyways,